So we're out here. It is fucking raining and probably like 35 to 40 degrees or some shit. Probably 32, just right on the edge. But yeah, so it's raining. I guess I'll show you what's been done so far, because we've kind of been just lollygagging, doing little things here and there. So, climb in here. What did you do? Unplug my power? You unplugged my power? Well, I guess I gotta figure out why we ain't got power in here. Right, now we're back. Apparently this light came unplugged. Dumbass me. Okay, so in the last video you saw I got my toolbox. So it came out and it got like there's just kind of stuff tossed in there. I ain't got nothing in this one yet. This one, I kind of cut up the containers that were in my Husky one. So we put those in there. Got them in there. Got like the gimbals and stuff. Got my electric ratchet in there with the creates. And then this one, we've got all my fancy extensions, more extensions, Allens, and then the half-inch drives. And then I ain't got nothing in this bottom drawer either. So, but yeah, thing's super fancy. And the cool part is it came with like 4 keys, so I got like a bajillion keys everywhere, so I can just like figure out how to operate these keys. And boom, can't open it, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, other than that, oh, and then I, just to get this thing out of my way, I kind of notched this so that way this thing will fit on there. So that's done. Alright, now it's at the poles. I gotta climb out of the hole. And then for Paul, he here, I'll flip the camera around. But yeah, so he put in a bolt to block off the old oil feed for the turbo because we're gonna be going off a sandwich plate. He bolted on the block off plate for the thermostat housing. And right now, he set these guys right so they're like straight up and down. And then so he's got this guy sitting in here to lock them in place. And right now he's working on bolting in this thing to put the, basically we gotta find top dead center so we can redo his timing for that. What did you say?
I put a gasket on that thing.
Oh yeah, he had to put a gasket on the coolant thing, so. And yeah. And then we were kind of playing with this. There's going to be this wiper motor thing. Some things that he 3D printed. Because he finally got his 3D printer working good. This stuff's way nicer. Yeah. I think that's where we're at. So basically we're working on getting his timing done. So I guess we got to figure out top dead center. And then we can put the belt back on. So let's do that. Alright, so we ended up, so what we did, we found top dead center. I totally forgot to film that shit. And then, so Paul put a, what was that thing called? Like a piston stopper or something? Yeah. Basically, it just fits in the spark plug thing. It's got like a little screw on it.
Too bad
and it holds the piston from moving.
It didn't do its job, I don't think. Because it was down lower.
Excellent.
Did the crank move at all when you put the belt on?
No. But yeah, so we got this guy lined up, and then we got top dead center, hopefully, and then we put this crank on, or this pulley on, and this we put thread locker on that, we put it on this tensioner. We had to compress the tensioner back down, and we stuck like a drill bit in there, and that, so now it's putting pressure on there, so everything is got tension. Yeah. So yeah, and then once he's got all that stuff out, we're gonna go ahead and churn it over, and yeah, then it should be good to go. And then we can put like timing cover on there, I think, and all that other good shit. I think that's, and we could probably put the pulley, we could put the alternator crap back on.
Yeah.
Get this thing looking fancy. But yeah, that's that. And hopefully we're gonna get pizza, because I want fucking pizza. This is crucial information. Alright, so we ended up turning over the crank. We did a full cycle, so 2 times around, is it 2 times around the crank? 2 rotations of the crank?
Yeah, piston goes up and down twice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
one rotation of the crank.
One rotate, well,
No.
it's
Yeah,
2.
be 2.
It's 2 because, yeah.
It's 2 because it is.
Just, yeah, science. Science and shit. But, yeah, so now we're going to go ahead and check top dead center again.
Make sure it didn't.
Paul just went ahead and just sent it. And, I mean, we would have heard the valves, or it would have got extremely hard to turn, so.
Yeah.
And then
Fine.
Paul would have been crying because new valve time.
What are you talking about?
You ready to pull all those double springs out again?
That's definitely what the machinist is for. I've done it once, and it was fun enough.
Once for the experience. And then
Once to pay for the tool I bought, and I'm done with it now.
Yeah. So, but yeah, there's that, and then I don't know what the hell we're gonna do after that. So, see what happens. All right. Well, we got her all buttoned up. This is just sitting on there. But yeah, this is basically what she's gonna look like.
It's the
a lot cleaner.
Most in time it's ever been.
Yeah, a lot cleaner. We did end up having to retime it, because I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It was out of time. We don't.
This thing must. I don't think this thing was starting in all the way.
Yeah, that stopper.
Yeah.
We don't think that. I think it actually, when you tightened it, it moved it. I don't know, but basically it moved it down there. So when I put the belt on, it was already out of time.
Yeah. So we just left that thing on there.
Yeah, so we just left that on there like we did last time. Make sure it was in center. Now it's good. So.
And now this is all good.
Yeah, because now we had this little stopper guy, and basically that goes on to there, and then we were able to draw the marks. Last time we just kind of had to guess, so
yeah,
it could have been wrong.
I looked at the 4G64 Doge. There's like 1 year that had that, and I just counted how many teeth were in between the top dead center and over here. So it's 12, if you're wondering.
The future and shit.
And it's in a valley. It's the valley 12 over from the top. And then this one should be on a tooth 12 over. So now you know.
Future. The more you know. But, yeah. I think that's actually where we might actually end it.
Cool stuff, though.
So, I already showed off some of it. I didn't show off, so we got some AN10. That's all for the catch can. And then he got a new fuel pressure regulator, basically the same style I have.
Very not real.
Yeah, super real.
Don't be fooled just because it says it.
It came with a sticker. It's real.
It even says it on the pressure.
Ooh, fancy. But oh yeah, and then he bought some poly, like a block of poly.
That's 80A.
Whatever that means.
Yeah,
Science and
coming to
shit.
you.
Definitely science and shit right there. And basically we're gonna be replacing. Are they out here?
Over here.
So like where this mounts to the car, we had put some steel or aluminum blocks that we had made in there. So these were solid mounts. And we're gonna try putting poly in there to hopefully try and kill some vibrations, because you could really hear the trans vibrating inside. So.
That's annoying.
But yeah, that's kind of where we're sitting at. But yeah, you know the drill, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.